Guys, it's hot in here.
Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl with yellow feathers in her hair and a dress cut down to there. She wore merengue and did the cha-cha. And while she tried to be a star, Tony always turned the bar across the crowded floor. They were from 8 till 4.
They were.
They were young and they had each other. Who could ask for more at the Copa Cabana? The hottest foot north of Havana. Here at the Copa Cabana. Music and passion were always the fashion at the Copa. They fell in love. His name was Rico. He wore a diamond. He was escorted to his chair, and he saw Lola dancing there. And when she finished, he called her over. But Rico went a bit too far. Tony sailed across the bar, and then the punches flew, and cheers were smashed in two. There was blood in a single gunshot, but just two shots. At the Copa Cabana, the hottest foot north of Havana. Here at the Copa Cabana. Music and passion were always the fashion at the Copa. Don't fall in love. Her name was Lola. She was a showgirl, but that was 30 years ago when she used to have a show. But now it's a disco. But not for Lola. Fingers feathers in her hair and the dress she used to wear. But
She sits there.
she sits there so refined. She drinks herself half blind. She lost her youth, she lost her tongue. Now she lost her mind at the Copa Cabana. The hottest foot north of Havana. Here at the Copa Cabana. Music and passion were always the fashion at the Copa. Don't fall in love.
Yay, good job, baby.
Okay.